Good morning, guys. Roger, see you scrapping. Well, it's coming up on noon on Saturday. Thought I'd give you guys an update. Things have been a little crazy. Had those big storms come through last night. Got a customer down in a little town called Ivesdale. I'm going to have to go down there in a couple of weeks. He had the roof of a grain silo blow into his house. So I'm going to have to go down there and haul that grain silo off. But yesterday, the fine folks of Olive Garden had a couple of under-counter a couple of under-counter fridges, and a sandwich prep table that I picked up. So there's a lot of goodies in those. And this morning I had a gentleman, he called me earlier in the week. He had some TVs to get rid of, and I charge to get rid of TVs, especially the CRTs. So we've got a couple of small CRTs here. We got the big 1980s swivel cabinet TV, and of course the big projection TV. So yeah, that's I charged him $180 to take those, and most of it is due to the garbage disposal costs. There is a lot of garbage there. And I've still got the Gaylord box from the factory up there to take care of. So I just realized that it has been a while since I've given you guys updates, but I've never done any real work. So give me a second here, and we'll get some work done here, stripping this nice copper wire with the stripper. I've already got a fairly good start on it, but I'll get this set up and we'll get that going. All right, we got it all set up here, and turn the machine on. Sound that casing makes when it rips off. The sound of money. And this time the factory didn't have any of the 500 MCM, but as you can see, that's 300 MCM, and it adds up quick. noticing going through YouTube this morning that everybody else is stripping wire. Why not me too? Two more. That finishes that batch, and let's see, We're at 10 minutes, so we spent about 7 minutes on that. And that is how you get a little over $400 worth of Bear Bright. So, see, I do actually do physical labor. This weekend is going to be nuts with trying to get this stuff done. But the nice thing is, after all that stuff's done, I think I'm going to get caught up with my electrical bills, have my rent paid for next month, have the phone paid, and be caught up. And that's a good feeling. That's a really good feeling. I did get the electric bill for the one I owed was $535. That's to heat this place with, see if I can get it in the picture here, with that little piece of shit heater. My fucking landlord is so cheap. So yeah, the month before that was $515. Last month was $535, and I just got the bill for the following month, which would have been last month, and it's down 400 something. And it's been in the 70s since then. So this thing is not running constantly anymore. I should be 200 or less on this next bill. And then after that, I can turn it off. And my normal electric bill's $60 a month. So we're getting back into the affordable category again. But like I said, all this stuff that I've gotten in the last 2 weeks should get me caught up. It's a great feeling to have. And, I also wanted to take a minute to thank one of our YouTubers, WTF Mike, for live streaming Brissy Boy's funeral. It all kind of caught us off guard. Hell, I didn't realize Brissy Boy is 4 years younger than me. So that, way too early, buddy. But like I said, I will see you again, but not yet. I got things to do. So thank you, WTF Mike, and everybody that showed up for Brissy's funeral. And with that, I will see you guys scrapping.